working on the 2002 GMC Envoy. The customer was stating that the car is overheating and she needed a head gasket. This might be a step for you guys to check first before you go to a mechanic and get your head gasket replaced. As you can see, the check engine light is on. If you get a code reading P045, that's a code for your fan clutch. I'm going to show you guys how the fan clutch is bad. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle up, and I'm going to show you guys. Don't mind the squeakiness. It's an idler arm pulley, which I'm also going to replace. This is your fan clutch. Down in here, this is your fan. Now I'm going to show you guys, once I shut this motor off and the fan stops with the motor, that's a telltale sign that your fan clutch is bad. As you can see, the fan stopped on the dime, which is keeping this locked into place. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. Thank you.